Phyllis Barrett from the Barrett Family Wellness Center in Northborough, Massachusetts. I'm here to tell you about our upcoming workshop, Creating a Sensory Integration Space at Home. Every child would benefit from a sensory space in their home, for them to relax, to regroup, release energy, and to chill out. The design of the place is based on the theory of sensory integration. Please come and take advantage of this free workshop and let me help you create a sensory integration space at your home.